Every iCloud account is given 5 gigabytes of storage space to utilize for free. Once that 5 gigabytes is used up, you can then purchase more storage if necessary. To make sure your iCloud storage is being used most efficiently, you can manage what is stored there on either an iOS device or a Mac. Here on my Mac in iCloud System Preferences, at the bottom of the window is a bar graph of my current iCloud storage. As I hover over different colors in the bar, it displays what section of the bar that represents. So currently, most of my storage is being used by documents in iCloud Drive. Click Manage here, and I can see this in more detail, and if I want, delete some stored items. Each app or service using data is listed here. If I select Keynote, I could then delete all the documents and data it has saved on iCloud. Doing this, though, will remove it from iCloud in all my devices, so that data will be gone for good. So if I were to do that, I'd need to know that I don't need those documents or that I have them backed up somewhere else. A better way to remove these files would be to move them out of Keynote's iCloud folder on my own. So I'm going to drag the samples folder here out to my desktop. When I do that, I'm warned that the folder and its contents will be deleted from iCloud. Click Delete, and the folder is now only stored on this Mac. When I go back into Manage Storage, Keynote is down about 120 megabytes. So removing items from iCloud Drive that you might no longer need to access on all your iCloud devices is a good idea to keep storage amounts down. Select Backups, and I can see all my iOS devices that are being backed up to iCloud and when the last backup occurred. If I choose to delete this backup, the backup service is going to be turned off. When I select Mail, it lets me know that I need to manage mail storage from the Mail app. To remove mail from iCloud, I either need to delete emails or make an On My Mac mailbox in the Mail app to store emails in that I don't need to have in iCloud. Click on Photos to see how many photos and videos are being stored in iCloud. This only refers to your iCloud photo library, not your photo stream, which doesn't count against your iCloud storage. We'll talk about both of these in more detail soon. Let's hop over to my iPad now and see how storage management works on an iOS device. In iCloud Settings, tap Storage and then Manage Storage. This is going to work a lot like it did on my Mac, but in iOS, I can delete individual files. Just swipe left on a file and tap Delete to remove it from iCloud. I can even delete the entire samples folder. At some point, your iCloud storage might fill up and you'll need to add more. On an iOS device, tap Change Storage Plan here and select how much more storage you'll need, then tap Buy. When the purchase is complete, your iCloud account will instantly have access to the added storage. The 200 gigabyte and over plans are more than likely only going to be needed if you're using iCloud Photo Library, which we'll talk about in detail soon.